Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to access Twitch VODs without a subscription. So if you're wondering whether there's a way to unlock subscriber only VODs for free, then here's the reality. Subscriber only VODs can't be legitimately accessed without the required Twitch subscription. So if the streamer has made their VODs public, anyone can watch them without subscribing. But however, if the creator has enabled subscriber only VOD access, then you'll need an active subscription to view those recordings. And you need to avoid websites that are claiming that they can unlock locked Twitch VODs, since many are fake or designed to steal your account information. And if you're interested in creators' archived streams, then subscribing to their channel is the only official way to gain access. So that was how Twitch subscriber only VODs work. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.